I think we got a good position on it. Hopefully, it's kind of looking this way, so maybe it's going to pick up that bread. I hope. You know, it's hard to figure out which way these are pointing. Whether they're straight out, they're hitting the ground. This angle, I don't know if that's hitting the ground right here, but maybe out there more. If I pick this bread up and toss it out there, it might be better. So let's toss some of this out there. That's pretty good, right? Let's get out of the film and let that shut off. And hopefully we pick something up tonight. Tell you what, sure looks like a storm coming. It's probably not going to be rain, probably be snow.